welcome back to another video. In this video we are continuing on with our extension, not entrance, just extension veranda. So we're gonna go fully up to the second floor. In this video we're gonna hopefully have all the framing up done, but we actually are nearly out of wood, so we're gonna get delivery of wood building material. So let's go and get the van here and unload it. So the wood is all unloaded. As you can see, that's the main building material that we're using, 15 by 5 centimeters. That is our kind of framing wood, and also it's going to be for the roof, for pretty much everything, because we also want to insulate it with quite a lot of insulation. So that gives us space to insulate 15 centimeters of rock wool. And this wood we just got because we need it as well for ceilings, decorative, things like that. And also we got because there was he was cutting an order that morning for someone to have planks. There was a lot of these planks that were kind of not good enough for the customer, but they fit in the same class as the now live edge wood. So this was 180 euros per cubic meter, and these were 210 per cubic meter. So in total I paid 300 for all this wood. I think I got a really good deal, plus I got a lot of sticks for free for the in-betweens, which is a really good thing. And then the other thing, we just quickly, since we had the van, we also picked up the roof tiles. This was an expensive thing. This was 360 euros, that pile there. So that just does this little extension, and for the house it would be pretty much 10 times the amount. So yeah, it would be quite expensive to do the roof for the house, but that's exactly the roof we're gonna put all over our house. That's why we wanted the more expensive, the best quality roof, just so we can put the same roof on the house after. So we're not buying some random temporary roof and then taking it off and putting proper. So it goes straight away to proper roof. So let's now get to work and actually try to figure out how to hook it together with the house, because I want to hook the framing to the beams of the house and to start laying in some rafters. I don't know if it's called rafters, the ones for the floor. So yeah, let's go get on with it. all it was. I could have snuck this. Okay. They're gonna get hooked down by the floor and the ceiling. So we have finished the floor framing, so that is now done and it looks pretty good. I did also add some braces in between just to stop any flex. We want to make a really solid floor up there, and we're gonna also add at the very end, but that we're gonna do after because the roof is a bit in the way. So once the roof comes off some of the wood, then we're gonna add one in the back as well. That's kind of gonna strengthen the back up as well, same as the front has. And now we need to actually get some insulation because we're gonna have some cavities there that we'll not be able to access after. So we're gonna add a rock wool already in there and have it insulated because we need to put a plate, kind of a wood across that's gonna go the second floor framing. So we need a flat surface to start from. Currently it's just like pointing two of them up and you can't really put a nicely connecting wood like this. So we're gonna add one of those beams there, and so we need to fill in with insulation. So let's get some insulation. Hopefully we have some spare insulation somewhere that we can fill that cavity up and yeah, finish this up for the day.
It's good to always have leftovers.
Okay. I like it. Calm down, sir. So we are done with the framing of the floor. That took a lot longer than expected. I was expecting it to go really easy, but we do want to make everything very beefy and very strong since we are doing the second floor. It's not just a ceiling and that's it. It's actually going to be holding up quite a bit of weight, so we need to make sure everything is extra strong. We will be adding braces also here, so don't worry, these open gaps will be all braced up. It's just that we don't know exactly how big the windows will be, so we'll add those after. It's going to be top and also in between, so wood like this, and also braces to hold it that way. So everything's going to get extra supported as well. But yeah, that's going to be kind of it for today. We have done quite a bit now, and yeah, we're going to see you in the next one when we actually start going upwards. And probably into the roof we need to start going, since the rain is kind of coming, and we should do it before the rain comes, just so we are done with that and get the new roof up. So quite a lot of work to do in a few days. Yeah, see you later. Bye bye.
You didn't say I hope you enjoyed.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Yeah.
Beautiful.